Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something exciting, as you can tell from my title, but I'm going to be following Jhene Aiko's Vogue makeup tutorial. And I'm super nervous because, you know, Jhene Aiko is super minimalistic with her makeup, and me, I'm kind of like minimalistic, not really, but like kind of sometimes, I don't know. But yeah, I love Jhene Aiko so much. I have her shirt on right now. I've been waiting to wear this shirt because I've been planning to do this video. I just haven't yet. And I watched this video like one time, and I know that Yuki followed Jhene Aiko's Vogue tutorial too. But yeah, I only watched a little bit of that one, but I would also want to do it too. So yeah, just putting it out there just in case somebody comes for my neck.
Hey, what's up? I'm Jhene Aiko, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my daytime, everyday makeup look. My first step, work on my eyebrows. And sometimes it'll take me literally like 30 minutes just on my eyebrows.
Same.
Just because I feel like it's, for me, the most important part.
Facts. Okay, I don't know what brow pencil she's using, but she's using a brow pencil. So I have the Brow Wiz by Anastasia. Hopefully they look good enough because her brows are just like already full. This is gonna be interesting. Me and Jhene definitely have different eyebrow shapes. I haven't done this in a minute. I hope she conceals her brows because I don't know if I can get away with this. Oh heck no. Oh god, it's been freaking like 8 minutes I've been doing this. She did say that she took 30 minutes basically for her eyebrows though. But anyways, I'm gonna leave it at that because that's all I can do.
And next, I do my eyeshadow. I believe this is like the OG Naked palette. I really love the Naked.
Oh dang it! I don't have that one. Dang it! I knew she used a Naked palette. I grabbed the one that I have. I have the smoky one, which is basically kind of the same. I mean, hers are more shimmery.
I'm gonna start with Buck.
Buck. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can find colors like this. She doesn't even put eye primer on. Oh my gosh, she's crazy. All right, I sweeped it on my eyes.
It just adds like a little depth to my eyes.
Yes, there's a little depth in my eyes.
Each one.
So she dabbed Toasted and Hustle. So I'm gonna do Radar and Dirty Sweet. No, I found out. Okay, I'm gonna use this color from the Carly Bible palette, and I'm gonna use Whiskey, and she makes both of them. So let's just do that. Wait, how do you do it?
Each one, just a little bit. Then I put it under, so it creates kind of like an ombre from the bottom to the top.
Okay, she sweeps it under her eyes and then she brings it up. I can't believe she's doing this without eye primer. Does her eyelids not get oily or something? Like what? I look a little dead right now because I have no foundation on, but let's continue.
So I use Pro Conceal, and it's actually really inexpensive.
Dang
I have this little palette. You can sort of like mix it.
Wait, hold on. I got a little palette.
Thin it out before you put it on yourself. Then I take a concealer brush and sort of just...
She is wildin'. Okay, I'm gonna use the Trusty Dusty Fit Me Concealer, and I'm gonna thin it out like she said. I have that much.
I go in with my beauty blender.
Oh wait, I wasn't supposed to blend this out. Oh, okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Okay. We're blending.
It's starting to look prettier, so that means this is going. Now I'm gonna do my foundation. I use Nourish.
Wait, hold on. Oh dang, she uses Nourish Tea or something. I have nothing that she has.
Make sure you have your pump so you don't waste any products. I go back to my little palette and just do a few pumps, just like a little bit.
She did like 2, so.
I like to put it on super thin so that my skin can like still shine through.
Okay, so she uses a foundation brush. So she puts the foundation on like so. Pretty thin. Oh my gosh, it's raining. And she blends most of it out with this brush, and then she also goes in with the beauty blender sometimes. So I'm gonna try to blend this out as much as possible with this, and then I'm gonna try to go in with my beauty blender.
Clean up the top of the eyebrow.
Okay, she uses it to clean the top of the eyebrows too, but let me blend this out real quick. And sorry if this foundation is light on me right now, because I wanted to use a foundation that was like with a pump, because she used a pump. This is kind of hard to do, this whole like around the eyebrows thing. Like, how do you do this? Oh. Hey.
Contour.
Okay, she's contouring, but I know that she's using bronzer because that's not a contour color. So I'm actually gonna go into my Becca collaboration with Chrissy Teigen, but I'm gonna go in with this shade because it looks more shimmery like hers.
I like to just follow my natural curves of my face.
Her brush is kind of like this size, so I'm just gonna use this, and then we're just gonna go around the face like she said, which we definitely have different face shapes.
For my nose,
okay,
I literally buy this palette just to use this color. I kind of like blend the two.
Oh, she has a shade in light. Oh, she's contouring her nose. I never contour my nose. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try to use Anastasia. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this color and then this color.
I like to create like a little bud.
Okay, so she kind of just like goes at it very lightly. She doesn't go, and she's not that precise, so that's cool with me because I'm not either.
No, do a little circle at the point, at the...
Okay, she likes to do a little circle at the point, which is cute. I do like button nose, like, I mean, it might look a little weird because it probably does look weird. All right, whatever.
I don't know, whatever that's called.
Whatever too.
This took me a while to get right. It would look right in like photo shoots and stuff, but in person it would just look like, girl,
contours done.
That like glow.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so she put some highlighter on, Laura Mercier, which I do not have. I'm just gonna go into my Maybelline Master Chrome, and she used a fan brush, so I'm gonna use my fan brush.
This is what adds that like glow. Then
I don't even know how much she puts on because she didn't really show it. I think I'm gonna go like as light as I possibly can because she seems like the person that won't wear too much highlighter, so yeah. What else?
My finger.
She uses her finger.
And I go right here on like the ball of my nose to give it like a cute little boop.
Boop.
And a little bit in the middle. So it just creates like more definition, I guess.
So she puts some on her nose. Let me just blend that out real quick. And then she puts some right here. Oh crap. I'm going too ham on this right now. Is that too much? Alright, whatever. That's as good as I could get it.
Okay. Then I use the same highlighter.
Okay.
And I also use it
under her brow bone. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this, dip it into my highlighter, and she just puts it under her brow.
I'm gonna set this so that I don't get oily and greasy.
Hold on, I'm already oily and greasy because I didn't use no primers. Okay, yeah, put some little highlighter right there. What else?
Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is my favorite brush.
I do not have
kind of just pat it lightly.
Okay, setting powder. I am going to use my Airspun translucent powder. I haven't used this in a minute. I haven't used this since like prom, I believe. And that was like a while ago. On the sides of her nose and under her eyes. I like that she doesn't bake because homegirl don't bake either.
I'm pretty messy down here. I'm going to take the same pencil that I did my eyebrows with, and I'm going to use it sort of as the eyeliner. Didn't it? The reason why I like using this is because it's super precise.
Okay.
And just create.
Okay. Hold on, Jhene. Okay, so I've never done this like extended inner corner cat eye thing, so hopefully it looks good, but no promises because I've never done it. Okay, so this is kind of bad, but I think I extended it too much, but it's okay.
Drama. Then I go into the outer corner and just smoke it out a little bit.
Okay, smoke it out. Okay.
This is not as defined as the inner corner.
Okay, so she just like smudges it, and then I think at the end, like, she kind of grabbed a brush and then started like zhuzhing it.
This angle.
She definitely did. You ain't slick, Jhene. I saw that. So I'm gonna grab a brush. I'm gonna try to like do whatever she did.
Little shimmer. Gonna blend it out just a little.
I have no idea, so I'm just gonna grab a random shimmer color and then put it. I'm gonna use this color because it looks kind of the same. And she puts it like up here, like kind of like the inner corner, but not in the inner corner.
Gonna blend it out just a little bit.
And then she blends it out with her translucent brush.
Then I'm gonna add just a little to the inner corner.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, she adds mascara.
This is called Aiko.
Oh yeah.
I never heard of it, but I was like, oh, it's perfect because it sounds like my middle name. I'm not very picky when it comes to mascara, so I'll use any mascara.
Okay, so I can use whatever I want.
Use it on the, you know, the tip. I don't like comb through my eyelash with it. My bottom lashes are super long.
Okay, so she says she does the tip, but we're just gonna kind of try to do that. And then she just uses the tip of this mascara wand on her bottom lashes.
I like to wear lipstick all the time. I find that it dries my lips out, so I like to use lip gloss and just let my natural like pink lip show. This is my favorite. My favorite lip gloss is called Lip Maximizer by Dior.
Okay, I think I have something like that. My mom did give me her Dior lip gloss. Yes, I do have the Dior lip gloss, but it's not in the same color that she has, and I don't know if it's like the same type of like formulation, but it's Dior, so we gonna put this on. Oh god, this is pink. You know what? I'm not mad. I'm not mad at this color right now. It's a little pink, but she has pink lips and I do not. So I think it works out.
And then I lied. There's one last little step. I take the highlighter that I use on my cheek and I just put it right in the little of my lip.
Dip on my lip.
It's just like cute.
I love highlighting the Cupid's bow too, so
I'm done. So I've told you all my secrets, but now I've gotta go. Bye.
So yeah, that's it. If the inner corner wasn't there and if I had eyelash extensions, I don't think this look would be too bad. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because I really enjoyed doing it, even though I was struggling a little bit. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.